Clive Lloyd, lifestyle, career, and net worth. Sir Clive Hubert Lloyd, born on August 31, 1944, in Georgetown, Guyana, is a legendary figure in cricket, celebrated for his transformative leadership of the West Indies cricket team. Although often associated with Jamaica due to his impact on Caribbean cricket, Lloyd is Guyanese-British. His lifestyle, career, and net worth reflect a life dedicated to the sport, marked by resilience, achievement, and modesty. Lifestyle. Clive Lloyd's lifestyle is grounded in his roots and love for cricket. Growing up in Georgetown, he faced early challenges, including the loss of his father at 14, which forced him to work as a hospital clerk to support his family. Despite these hardships, his passion for cricket endured, shaped by memories of watching icons like Garry Sobers. Lloyd's disciplined yet approachable demeanor earned him respect both on and off the field. Now in his 80s, he resides in Greater Manchester, England, maintaining ties with Lancashire, where he played county cricket. His lifestyle is relatively private, focusing on family, his wife Waveney and son Jason, and his continued involvement in cricket through commentary and mentorship. Lloyd's knighthood in 2022, received at Windsor Castle, underscores his enduring influence and dignified presence. Career. Lloyd's cricketing career is illustrious, spanning from his Test debut in 1966 against India to his retirement in 1985. A powerful left-handed batsman and occasional medium-pace bowler, he scored 7,515 runs in 110 tests at an average of 46.67, including 19 centuries, with a career-best 242 against India in 1974. His aggressive batting style, wielding a heavy bat, earned him the nickname Supercat. As captain from 1974 to 1985, Lloyd revolutionized West Indies cricket, leading them to 2 World Cup titles, 1975 and 1979, and a record 27-match unbeaten streak in tests. His strategic use of 4 fast bowlers redefined Test cricket, making the West Indies a dominant force. Post-retirement, Lloyd remained active as a coach, manager, and ICC match referee from 2001 to 2006, earning accolades for his fairness. His contributions were recognized with a CBE in 1993, Wisden Cricketer of the Year in 1971, and induction into the ICC Hall of Fame in 2009. Net worth. Estimates of Clive Lloyd's net worth vary, with sources like allfamousbirthday.com suggesting around $5 million as of 2023, while others, like celebrityhow.com, estimate up to $10 million. His wealth stems primarily from his cricketing career, including earnings from international and county cricket with Lancashire, as well as post-retirement roles in coaching, commentary, and refereeing. Unlike modern cricketers, Lloyd played in an era with modest salaries, so his net worth reflects prudent financial management rather than lavish earnings. He has invested in a comfortable lifestyle but is not known for extravagant spending, aligning with his grounded personality. Legacy. Clive Lloyd's legacy transcends wealth or statistics. His leadership united players from diverse Caribbean nations, fostering a professional, disciplined team that dominated world cricket. His influence continues through his mentorship and advocacy for the sport, making him a revered figure in Jamaica and beyond.